It's as simple as that. When assembling modular framing, there are many options to connect extrusion. I'm going to demonstrate some of the more popular ones. The first one being our M12 Connecting Screw. When using our common M12 Connecting Screw, you need to tap this hole, thread it in here up until you don't see any more threads. Right about here. The nice thing about the extrusion is you don't need a tap drill. You just run a self-tapping tap in there and you save that time of using a tap drill and tapping it. This extrusion has an access hole for an Allen wrench to slide in. You take the extrusion, you put that into your desired location, you line the access hole here with the head of the screw. After you have it lined up, you bring your Allen wrench through the access hole and you tighten it up. It's as simple as that. The nice thing here, you don't have any interference possibilities with panels or sheet metal or whatever you desire to put into the T-slot.